friends to try. And the Paw Patrol is on deck to help everyone have a good time. Let's dive in. No ride is too big, no pup is too small. Here's a map of the whole water park. Awesome! A new open ride. Blaze is ready to race down the new water speedway. Water Speedway with Blaze. All right, time to race down the rushing river speedway with Blaze. Press the up or down arrow keys to help Blaze move up or down into different lanes. Speed over booster arrows to help Blaze move with blazing. Watch out for things in your way, like rocks and logs. They'll make Blaze lose control. Help Blaze collect all the duckies on the speedway to earn tickets for the Splashtastic prize wheel. You're doing great! You're doing great! You're doing great! Another ducky! Another ducky! Another ducky! Chase's megaphone can clear obstacles from your path. Chase's megaphone clears the way ahead for Blaze. Another ducky! Another ducky! You're doing great! Whoops! Another ducky! Chase's megaphone can clear obstacles from your path. Collect Chase's badge when you see him. Another ducky! All right, great job! Super duper ducky collecting! You earned 2 tickets! Would you like to play this game again? Click this button to play this game again. Want to try out a different ride? Click this button to get back to the water park. You can use tickets at the Splashtastic prize wheel. Splashtastic prize wheel. Welcome to the water park's Splashtastic prize wheel. 1 ticket gets you 1 spin at the prize wheel. Awesome! You've got tickets, so spin the wheel. Click on the wheel to use 1 ticket and spin for a prize. Click on your prize. What a great prize! Click this button to get back to the water park. Click this button to spin again. Spin. Click on your prize. Congratulations! Here's your prize.